Say hi. Again, right here. Say hi, baby. Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. Okay, we coming with some heat this year, y'all. It's a new year. We getting some new looks. Sorry, that's my dog. And some new content. And we're gonna be right back.
Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the picky. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. Calm down, sugar, be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never see where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and vroom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead. Thought my raps were the facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave.
So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by LUVME hair. So thank you kindly for collaborating with me again in today's video. You guys, I have been collaborating with them for the past few months and I am loving the heat that they are bringing. This is the Put On and Go Realistic Glueless Yaki Straight Bob with Bangs Minimalistic Lace Wig, 100% human hair, and I got it in 12 inches. This unit does range on their website from $70, and that's with the 10 inches. The 12 inches is what I have. It's about $84, and then it goes up to 14 inches, which is around $97. You guys, you can get this wig for under $100, and that is a steal. I am loving this wig. I love their collections. I love their units. I love just being versatile and switching it up. So y'all know I had to do it for the new year. Like, this is giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving sleek, it's giving elegant, it's giving girl next door, it's giving plop and go, because y'all know I love me some plop and goes on this channel. I do not want to do a lot of work when it comes to throwing on wigs, and y'all, I'm loving it. I did have to like spruce it up a little bit since it was my first time taking it out of the package. I just went in with some Access foundation that was already on the brush, went underneath for the lace right here, and then I put it on my head. It is I do have a medium-sized head, but it is big head friendly. And it comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well, and an elastic band. You can't take the elastic band off, so you can adjust it to your head size, bigger or smaller. And y'all, I just went in and bumped the ends, and that is it. This unit is so cute. I'm loving the Yaki straight texture. It's giving Yaki straight, and I love the texture between my fingers when I run it through. I did use just a silicone light spray, you guys. It just adds a little shine to it, but nothing major. I didn't put any product in this unit at all. They do have some different cap options on here as well. They have natural black breathable cap, a natural black regular cap, a brown highlight breathable cap, and a reddish purple in a 99J. So I think this unit does come in a bunch of other colors. So that's what it is. It comes in a natural black, it comes in a highlight color, then it comes in a 99J color. You can also pick some add-ons if you want just the wig, the comb set, a pair of scissors to come with it, and tweezers. I mean, you don't need that stuff, you guys. But yeah, I am loving this wig. It's quick, it's easy, it's affordable. We doing affordable all 2024. You know, we're gonna stay within our budget. So I'm gonna be dropping some heat for y'all. But I am loving this wig. But this was an easy, quick, and fun video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.